All the choices you made, would you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, would you make them again, 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 again? All the lies.
What's up everybody, welcome back to this beautiful channel. In today's video, you have to watch to the last minute. You guys, imagine viewing a 2-bedroom and also a 1-bedroom in the same video. This is so amazing. And guys, this is a new apartment. Like, people just got to book the houses in December, and only a few units are remaining. Like, only a few. So like 50% have been booked and some people have already settled in. And yeah, keep on to the video. So we're going to start with this 2-bedroom apartment, and then as the video goes, we're going to review the 1-bedroom apartment. So stay tuned till the end of the video so that you can get to know the prices and also the advantages of why you should get to choose this beautiful apartment. So when it comes to this sitting room, it's so spacious. You can get to judge it for yourself because it's so notable. And you have a very nice bulb over there, and the room is so spacious. Have you noticed how the window is so huge and it's penetrating a lot of light into this room, and also the tiles are perfectly well done. So let's get to go to the kitchen where it's so beautiful. You guys, just tell me where I'm so much amazed when it comes to this house, because first I came when it was not complete. Then I was like, no, I have to share this. So guys, yeah, you have it all. You can get to judge it for yourself. As you can see, the landlord is so much generous to put a very colorful theme in this kitchen. You have the cabinet installed, which gets to give you ample storage. Ample storage, like for real. It's so good. And on the other side, we have like a laundry area where you can get to place your washing machine and you do your laundry, or you can get to even put your own things there. At least it's so spacious enough for you to do your own cleaning.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you.
Next, from the kitchen, we have a common washroom and we have a sink there. And also, when it comes to this washroom, it's a common one, but a combo one. By combo, I mean it's a combination. So yeah, it's a combo. And let's get to start with the master bedroom, of which it's very spacious enough for you to put even a 6x6 bed. How spacious it is, imagine. Am I the only person who always get to be so much concerned when it comes to wardrobes? Because mimi wardrobe inijafika kwa ceiling, I just can't. But this one, it's so well perfectly done. And yeah, let's get straight to the other side where it's this. Okay, I never told you that this bedroom, it's a master insert. So let me get to show you its washroom, of which it's so spacious enough And yeah, we have a sink over there and a mirror over there. And you guys, tell me why you can't get to have such a very good deal when you have this house. Imagine.
So I'll be your harder temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your harder temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own.
So guys, let's get to review now the the one bedroom apartment tour. And in this one bedroom, also the sitting room, it's kind of spacious enough, and the window, it's so huge that gets to penetrate enough light. You have the wall bulbs there. So guys, the sitting room is so spacious enough, it can get to fit a set of a sofa and also a small dining table, maybe, if you can get to organize yourself well. And I love the fact that the tiles were well done. When it comes to the kitchen, it's almost similar to the two-bedroom apartment. And yeah, by similar, I mean there's a double sink over there. Who doesn't like a double sink? Who doesn't? Nobody, of course. And over this side, you have a very ample storage area. And let me get to show you something. Guys. Okay. Here we go. Okay, I don't know why it's not coming. I don't know why, but here we go. Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you, because like you have a space there of which it's not in most of the one bedrooms. It's not there. So if you're lucky enough or you're interested, get to ask this room. The kitchen, it's so spacious. The balcony, it's so spacious enough for you to put at least washing machine, because in each and every balcony it has a socket, meaning that it's suitable for a washing machine. And that's so nice because most of the buildings, they don't have sockets outside, so you have to putting out your stuff. Here is the common washroom, and it's spacious enough. Let me get to show you from the other side. It's so spacious enough. So guys, since I lost the footage for the second bedroom for the two-bedroom apartment, I just want to show you it's similar to this one. So you don't have to worry much, just in case you're interested with the second bedroom. And when it comes to the wardrobe, it's almost the same to the other one, like not much difference. And I love this door. I'm so much in love with it. Let's get straight into the wardrobe, where it has ample storage area where you can get to hang your clothes, put a lot of stuffs. And yeah,
And I wonder where you are. Mysterious. That's the
so guys, thank you so much for watching up to this end. In case you're interested with this apartment, okay, when it comes to one bedroom apartment, it's 17,000 Kenyan shillings. And when it comes to the second, okay, I don't know why I'm saying second, when it comes to the two bedroom apartment tour, it's 25,000 Kenyan shillings. In case you're interested, you can go to contact me on my WhatsApp. I'm going to leave down below my number where you're going to WhatsApp me, call me, text me, anything. So let me get to see you on my next video. Kindly ensure that you get to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I get to upload a video, you'll be among the first people to watch the video. And with all that, may God bless you.